Today we are going to learn about CISSP. So this is the second chapter of CISSP series. We already have completed our introductory part in the CISSP. So about the CISSP exam, it is CAT test. CAT means it is computerized assessment test. So it has for passing we need to earn 700 points, and the questions related to these exams are going to change as per your solutions. Means if you are solving the difficult questions, then number of questions will be the less, and marks will be more. So that is a CAT test, and time is well defined for this exam. So if you want to take a break or anything, time is not going to stop you. So better be prepared for that. In CISSP, we totally have like 8 domains. So marks are distributed in those all different 8 domains. First domain in the CISSP is risk and security. It deals with all the risk and security infrastructure as well. Second is asset security. Third is security architecture. And engineering. Fourth is communication and network. Fifth is IAM, that is identity access management and governance. Sixth, seventh, and eighth. So do you know which will become as eighth? So 8 will be software engineering. And development. Before that, it will be security operations. The one which is the remaining is security assessment and testing. These are the 8 domains we are going to learn. For security, CISSP security, we consider as 3 pillars of security. That is CRA. C refers to confidentiality, I refers to integrity, A refers to availability. This is CIATriad is considered as base for the security. So what is the confidentiality? Confidentiality is refers to as information is handled or accessed by authorized users. So related to confidentiality, information is accessed by authorized users. Okay. So what are the main components we are looking here? We can implement access controls, managing permissions and everything like that, and plus we have encryption. So information is accessed by intended user, it is confidentiality, and for that we implement those two steps, access controls and encryption. Next, integrity. Integrity is refers to a data as transist or data is at rest is not modified. So for that we use hash function. So in this method of hash function, if there is if we consider any file has a specific size which is stored as hash function, but anything related to file changes, then that hash function also changes. So that's why you can verify integrity of data. Remember, hash function is for just verifying the data, that data has not been changed. Next concept is availability. So availability is refers to as resources are available to intended users. So these resources could be any data center or anything, or application or something like that. But what we are implementing here for availability, it is for redundancy. So redundancy apply on network structure. Then if one server fails, the other server will take place, or any backup servers is also running. So backup and redundancy always included in the availability. One more thing, so these are the three pillars: confidentiality, integrity and availability. Confidentiality refers to as data is accessed only by authorized or intended users. We put measures like access control and encryption for that. Integrity is verified with the hash function. Integrity means data should not be breached while in transit or at the rest. And availability of the data is done by creating backups or having redundancy at the server level. There are another two pillars which have been added later on. Authentication. This is fourth. If this is first, this is second, this is third, this is considered as fourth. And another one is there, non-repudiation. What is authentication? Authentication is verifying that user is authentic and it is sent by intended user. Data is sent by intended user. This could be done by certification. We need to do more study about public infrastructure key, which provides these certifications. Okay, so authentication is one part, and non-repudiation. So non-repudiation is verifying the data or any transaction has been done by that user. So we have record of that. So it includes audit trail, audit trail is supported for non-repudiation. We can check the transaction details and all those things. And second is digital signature. If particular transaction is carried out by different user, their digital signatures are implemented there as well. So remember that non-repudiation is for digital signature and digital certification is for authentication. So these are 5 main components, among which 3 are considered as pillar of CISSP. So this is all about basic of CISSP, and in the next lecture we will go for more deep dive into security aspects. Thank you.